Today's journey begins, as it always seems to with me, with a train ride. This time, we are rolling out of Munich and heading towards Aschau im Chiemgau, a mountain village about 80 kilometers or 50 miles southeast of Munich, a mere Brezel's throw from the Austrian border. Not that you should throw Brezel, only when provoked. Our goal is Stubn in der Frasdorfer Hütte, a renovated alpine hut sitting on a plateau that, as far as I can tell, you can only reach by foot. There's supposedly just one person with a license to drive up there, and that was it. The hike is a steep slog straight up the forest with a mix of spruce, pine, and fir trees offering shade from the sadistic heat of the sun. Seriously, it felt like old Apollo up there was melting us like those equally sadistic kids from elementary school melting ants with a magnifying glass. Wonder whatever happened to them. Probably state senators or something. Frasdorfer Hütte, or Frasi as those in the know call it, is a long-standing hiking favorite for its rustic romanticism. A little over a year ago, Frasi was renovated with the works, like solar panels and large timber shingles, becoming Frasi chic. Finally, we emerged from the forest to a sun-baked field with curious horses and free-range cows just outside of the Hütte. The highlight for me is the food from Chef Max Müller, a Bavarian-born cook who earned his stripes in Berlin, most recently as the sous chef at the Michelin-starred Nobelhart und Schmutzig. From Nobelhart, Max brought the kitchen motto Brutal Local to Frasi, prioritizing ingredients that come from right outside their front door. The older cows out on the Alm, or mountain pasture, provide the meat as well as the dairy for Frasi's wildly luscious, creamy butter served with some of the crispiest, tastiest sourdough bread I've ever had the pleasure to nosh on.
So I was just getting ready to go to bed, definitely not naked down below. I'm up here in Aschau in Bavaria for a little work thing and thought I'd take advantage of being in this beautiful Bavarian surroundings, even though I was basically just here a few weeks ago. Anyway, I thought I'd take advantage of being in this wonderful little area and go to bed early, get up super early before I have to start working, and try to get a little hike in. So I've got my little rain machine going, and I'm gonna go to bed now. Get up early, at least try. Think it's gonna happen. We'll see.
It didn't happen. Not because of any early morning laziness, but a massive storm came through. Okay, I know it doesn't look like it now, but I swear, at 6 in the morning, Zeus was peppering the fields like he was playing whack-a-mole with lightning.
Guten Morgen. So I did not end up doing the hike I thought I would. There's absolutely no phone signal up here, and without a phone signal I was unable to see that a massive storm was coming. So in the middle of the night, lots of lightning, wind, pouring rain, and I was hoping, in the middle of the night, maybe this will blow over by the time I'm getting up at 5:45 to start hiking. But by the time my alarm went off, it was still quite windy. I couldn't tell if it was raining or not, and I just thought, I don't really want to go out by myself and chance that. That's a dumb way to go, especially because I'm close to the Berlin Marathon and my next ultra marathon attempt. So got up a bit later with the sun already up, going for a little jaunt before starting the day. We get the little bells of the cows, so getting a little bit of something out of it.
That's underselling it. I got a lot out of it. Bonus time in the Bavarian mountains, and a taste of a refined spin on Hütte Küche mountain hut cuisine. All the while technically on the clock. Things could most definitely be worse.